Precision in design, we lay each line with care.
Hello! Today I'm excited to share some of my best practices for preparing and sending 3D viewer models to clients. To start, let's open up a camera view of our model. To enhance the viewer experience, I use a custom layer set that hides unnecessary elements like background trees and framing layers. By selecting the 3D viewer layer set from the dropdown, we can ensure only the essential details are displayed. Next, let's set up a strategic camera view. I position the camera at various key points around the model and save each view using the Save As Camera button, which I have added to my toolbar. I label each view according to the room or area it represents, making navigation intuitive for the client. For spaces like the primary suite, I like to add an extra touch by opening the doors in 3D. This gives clients a preview of connecting rooms that they can explore. To do this, I simply select the door and use the Show Door Open in 3D button on the bottom toolbar. These labeled camera views make it much easier for clients to explore and understand the layout of their future home. Without these preset viewpoints, navigating the model can be challenging. Setting up camera points ensures a smoother and more user-friendly experience. With the navigation views finalized, the next step is to export the 3D viewer file from Chief Architect. To do this, navigate to the File drop-down menu, hover over Export, and select Export to Chief Architect 3D Viewer File. I set this up as a new project, naming it accordingly, and adding the date to help track the latest version. Then I click on the Cameras button and choose the views to include, ensuring that the front view is set as the initial display. Once everything is selected, press OK and let Chief Architect create the model in the cloud. Stay tuned for the next part, where I'll show you how we incorporate 3D viewer model links into our plans, making them easy for clients to access and explore their designs.